Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we would like to invite you to prepare with us a cake with a beautiful amber color, like a tan at the end of the vacations. The fig cake is the best way to say goodbye to a beautiful season. Prepared with yogurt, raisins and almonds, it becomes an amazing, very soft and delicious cake for a perfect breakfast and a snack to be enjoyed with the most gourmands. To prepare the fig cake, start by soaking the raisins in a glass with warm water. Meanwhile, wash the figs well, dry them with paper towel and cut them into thin slices without removing the peel. Keep them aside. Take the raisins and dry the water. Place them on a pieces of paper towel and dry them well. Whip the eggs and brown sugar in a bowl until you get a clear and frothy mixture. Add a pinch of salt. Add the oil, yogurt at room temperature and continue to mix everything with whips. Add the previously sieved flour, vanillin and yeast into a dough. Mix all the ingredients at minimum speed for a few minutes. Add the raisins previously squeezed. Transfer half of the dough in a mold covered with baking paper. If your dough is as thick as mine, dip your fingers in water and level the dough so that the layer is even. Spread them 6 or 7 slices of figs on the surface. Cover with remaining dough as you have done before. And decorate with the remaining figs already cut. At the end, add the almond slices. Bake the cake in a static oven at 180 degrees for 45–50 minutes. Make the test toothpick in the center of the cake. And as soon as it dries, take out the cake of the oven and let the dessert cool on a grill. The fig cake with yogurt, raisins and almonds is the very soft, tasty cake and it's perfect for breakfast next to a cup of tea or coffee. Simple and delicious. You can do it with Greek yogurt, but also with natural or soya yogurt. Let yourself be won by the soft and fragrant mixture in which the sweet notes of figs and raisins blend perfectly with the caramelized taste of brown sugar. If you liked this video, leave a great big thumbs here below, subscribe to our channel and on our Instagram page, share the video with your friends, leave comments and enjoy your cake. See you soon!